Micrometer Screw Gauge 2, positive zero error. My dear viewers and listeners, today I am going to start a new lesson on positive zero error calculations in Micrometer Screw Gauge 2. I have chosen this topic to give you the method of calculation of positive zero error. This topic is related to any physics curriculum up to GCE A-Level, AP or FSc. My syllabi references are IGCSE, GCE O and A-Level Physics. It is taken from Chapter 1 Measurement. You can request a physics video on a topic of your need in your comments section. What is zero error? Look at the diagrams. Both scale graduations are starting with 0 mark. When this micrometer is fully closed with no object between its jaws, then the two zeros marks do not coincide with each other at the datum line. This is known as zero error. Nature of zero error. We have two types of zero error. First one is positive zero error. Second one is negative zero error. Correction of zero error. If this micrometer with zero error is used for any measurement of length, then measured value is not true. This error is eliminated to get a true value. Positive zero error diagram 2. Zero of the vernier scale on the thimble does not coincide with the zero of the main scale, but it remains below the datum line. It is still in the positive scale region of the main scale. Zero of the main scale is visible as shown in the diagram with its marked line. Some other division is coinciding with the datum line. It is called as positive zero error. Positive zero error and coinciding vernier division VD. Zero of the main scale is visible with its marked line on the datum line when micrometer is fully closed. Little positive gap is visible with zero of the main scale. Vernier division of positive error is written with positive sign as VD is equal to +3 as shown in the diagram. Magnitude of positive zero error. Look at the diagram. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 0.0 mm. Vernier division VD is equal to +3. Least count LC is equal to 0.01 mm. Vernier reading VR is equal to VD times LC. Vernier reading VR is equal to +3 times 0.01 equal to +0.03 mm. Total reading TR is equal to 0.0 mm plus within bracket plus 0.03 mm. Therefore, zero error is equal to plus 0.03 mm. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates. Explanation of positive zero error. Zero error is equal to plus 0.03 mm. All measurements taken with this positive zero error micrometer will be greater by 0.03 mm. Elimination of positive zero error. Use the following formula. True value is equal to obtained reading minus within bracket positive zero error. Calculated zero error is equal to positive 0.03 mm. Obtained reading is equal to question mark. Now you will observe a reading from a faulty micrometer in diagram 2 as obtained reading. Micrometer reading with positive zero error diagram 2. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 8.5 mm. Vernier division VD is equal to 40. Micrometer reading with positive zero error diagram 2. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 8.5 mm. Vernier division VD is equal to 40. Least count LC is equal to 0.01 mm. Vernier reading VR is equal to VD times least count LC. Vernier reading VR is equal to 40 times 0.01 mm. Vernier reading VR is equal to 0.4 mm. Total reading TR of diagram 2. Main scale reading MSR is equal to 8.5 mm. Vernier reading as calculated is equal to 0.4 mm. Total reading TR is equal to MSR plus VR. Therefore, total reading TR is equal to 8.5 mm plus 0.4 mm, which is coming out to be TR is equal to 8.9 mm. This reading is with positive zero error. Measurement with zero error. You have measured length as obtained reading from this faulty micrometer as given in the diagram 2. Obtained reading is equal to 8.9 mm. Similarly, you have measured positive zero error of this micrometer when its jaws are fully closed. The zero error measured is equal to positive 0.03 mm. Elimination of zero error. Use the following formula. True value is equal to obtained reading minus zero error. Substituting the values in the formula, true value is equal to 8.9 mm minus within bracket positive 0.03 mm. True value is equal to 8.9 mm minus 0.03 mm, coming out to be 8.87 mm. Therefore, true value of length is equal to 8.87 millimeter. Micrometer 3 with positive zero error. My dear learners, you will go through the third diagram as micrometer 3 for further practice and better understanding of positive zero error calculations. Therefore, please go to the video list GCE O-level or FSc. Then you look for the topic positive zero error calculations of micrometer screw gauge 3. Thank you for listening my video lesson. You can request a physics video on a topic of your need in your comments section. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates.